Okay, we're going to make potato salad. I've got the potatoes chopped up and they're done, cooked and done. We've got one egg from when we were making deviled eggs. There's my egg. So all we're going to do is take a fork and smoosh them up. Maybe. Because it'll be still. And it's in the bowl, so I need a smaller bowl so you can see. But anyway, I'll get this in just a minute. So dump your potatoes. I cooked them this morning. I left some skin on them because we like the skin of the potato. Okay, let's get the potato masher. This is an old timey potato masher. I probably had this thing 50 years. So we're going to mash the potatoes and the egg and everything all at one time. And the ingredients for the filling for the potato salad is just like deviled eggs. It's pickle relish, salt and pepper, and some mayonnaise. And some people put onions, green peppers, parsley, anything you want in it. I've seen red bell peppers, green peppers, celery, but for now it's just like simple food. Now sometimes people add some stuff to his at the table, which is fine. But this is basically like the base of the potato. Okay. So let's put some pepper in there. And I will put a little bit of salt. I know the salt's in the mayo, but the potato salad seems to need a little bit. So we're going to put just a little bit. Okay. Then we're going to put pickle relish. That's 1, 2, 3. That's 3 teaspoonfuls. Let's see how that works. Then we're going to put about 3 teaspoons of mayo. And this is that light mayo. Somehow you don't mind if that's about 3 good heaping teaspoons of mayonnaise. Okay. Somehow you don't mind your potato salad being a little bit runny, but not deviled eggs. All right, let's stir this up real good and see what we need. Now I can tell just by looking at it, it needs more pickle relish and more mayo. It's a little bit dry, even with that. So let's put a little bit more mayo. This will be teaspoon number 4. And I've got three potatoes about that big that I cooked. Okay, let's put one more mayo in it. And that should do it. So I hope y'all having a good day. It's still hot here in North Carolina. Oh, it was hot yesterday. I think it got up to feel like 107, 109. It was hot. So we've got one kitty cat. She doesn't like being hot. And when it gets, she goes down on the deck. So when we let her out, and she immediately let me back in the house. And she goes and gets in her bed and we'll hear another peep out of her. Okay, let me taste it. You know, all good cooks have got to taste food. So let's try it. Perfect. We'll do anything else to it. Okay, let's get us a dish. And let's put it in. We're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it get cold. So, lunch is getting started anyway. Maybe cooking some string beans in a little while. I'm not a big fan of string beans. Don't like string beans. And I think I've told y'all the story about my father-in-law. He loved string beans and he planted a big garden of beans. But when they were ready to pick, he would call me. Hey Linda, it's time to pick them beans. And I'm like, not feeling it. I'll come help, but I'm not eating those string beans. And he would just die laughing. And that's something we remembered when he passed away. That was one of the stories that was told at his funeral about the string beans. Okay, so that's it. Let's put it in the fridge. Let it get good and cold. A little bit more pepper. And our potato salad is done. Enjoy. See you in the next video. Bye.